So I'm going to do drawing A1. Now A1 is located right here on your drawing sheets. You find this one in your notebook. Okay? So I'm right here, and I'm going to go to 2D sketch. I'm going to choose the XY view, okay? And the XY view is generally considered the front view. Bring it up. Now, it says that this shape is 2.75 by 4.9 long. I'm just going to draw the outside rectangle for it. So I do a rectangle. I click or open. And you can click any kind of shape, but then once you dimension it, you'll click the line, and this one is 4.19, and I got that from here, this length, okay? X. It's huge. I take the wheel, take it down, so I can see it again, so I wheel it. Then the height. The height I got here is 2.75. So I go into here, I click the height, and 2.75. And there I have my basic shape. I hit finish, okay? I'm going to hit the little house, bring it right there, and then I have to extrude it, its thickness. Now its thickness right here is 2.44. So I just go to extrude, I go 2.44, and I actually like to go back with it like this. I click OK. Now I have my basic shape. Now I have to cut up the cake. And how I'm going to cut up the cake is like this. I'll go to 2D sketch, and I have to choose which side I'm going to go from. I generally try and go as much as possible through the front view. So I'm going to click the front view. It comes up. I bring it down. I do a rectangle. I click. Now I have to determine this shape. Well, I know this one right here is easy. It says 3 inches long. So I go to dimensions, and I can click this dot and this dot and come up. Now notice I'm going from corner to corner, and I'm choosing 3. Now it doesn't tell me this dimension right here, but it does tell me this dimension. You can do a couple of things here. You can do the math, subtract this from this, and end up with, I think, 1.5, or, which would be this right here, or you can go to it here, and again choose dimension, and go dot to dot, and that one is what? 1.25. 1.25. There it is. I hit finish. I hit extrude. Hoop. I want to go back. There it is. Cuts it out. I hit OK. Okay. Now all I have is this little part to cut out of the cake right here. And this part is 1.125 by 1.125. So I can do this in a couple ways. I think I'm still going to go from the front view. I'll bring her down. I'll do a rectangle. I'll start in this corner right here. It's always a good idea to start in the corner of the shape. Draw the box down. I estimate where it's kind of got to be. I hit the bottom line. Then I dimension. 1.125. It's already at the height of this, and you could still put it in at 1.25, but I think it's all set. I finish sketch. I extrude. Whoo, I don't want that extruded that long. I want 1.125. And then I want to cut it, and that's the second one, going in the wrong direction. Click back. There it is. And my drawing is done. Now, a warning. If you do not dimension these things and you have it look right, it will be wrong. So, that is it. You can get started and get this done right now. Okay, 1,